Hello and welcome to me doing Uber Eats. Me going out from about 6 o'clock it is now, just turned online, see how much we make. Okay, so I just got my first order like 15 minutes after I went online. I've been out my house for 25 minutes now, not a single order. Hopefully we can turn this night around and make some more. Just Jollibee to the Meadows. 43947. Thank you very much. That was nice and painless. At a customer's house. There you go. Thank you. Have a lovely day. I'm gonna take it. I don't know what's going on with Uber today, but it's just paying no orders. It was, dude, I was out this morning with about 50 quid, 3 hours. Absolutely fine. Today, well this evening, absolutely bugging out. Been here before, these guys are not bad at all. 15 minutes. Oh, okay. Have a good night. What? Waiting 15 minutes might actually be better. Oh no, finally. What we wanted. Cookadamia Kitchens? No, I mean it's Zizi's. One of those fake kitchens, I think. Zizi's is right there. Hopefully there's another fast pickup because maybe this hour is recoverable. Thank you very much. Yeah, just other end of Princess Street, not far at all. 6 minutes, that's probably about right. Maybe a bit longer with traffic, but let's get going. Here you can see the people fighting. I'm not sure what they were fighting about, but the lady after this after I left brought out her phone and started filming it. Can't tell what was happening. Really weird, but quite exciting. I forgot to switch it to video mode, so it's stuck in time-lapse mode, but yeah. In the Pizza Hut now. Yep, perfect.
Sorry.
Thank you very much. So, oh, got another delivery. Oh no, McDonald's on the road to Easter Road. £3.30. Nah, it's gonna be absolutely rammed right now. I don't even know I'm gonna be super late. Late to a dusty street. These massive construction works. Slowing it down. Everything is against me this evening. I'll give them a ring, see where they are. Hiya. Hiya. I'm at the place. I'm just like near the reception kind of area, like the walkway in the middle. No problem. Have a great night. Oh, that's another delivery straight away. £5. Oh, that is what we like. That is a good order. That Easter Road, Iceland, picking up the kind of big order. Thank you very much. So this drops off to Iceland, and the guy was super chill. Thankfully, it's on the bottom floor because that thing was super heavy. And I've got another delivery straight off the bat from Mother India Cafe. Lovely place to deliver from at the Mother India Cafe. I'm gonna sneak away out the back. Nowhere near as long getting up. Hopefully their stuff is ready. Thank you. Have a good night. Hiya. Do Uber Eats? Perfect. There you go. Have a great day.
You too.
So, not back in the city, but I've got a delivery for £5, I think it was, from here over to Lochran, which is around the same area I'm going, for another £6. And it'll guarantee me ready. Definitely taking that. What's it called?
Should you be on a bike?
What?
Should you be on a bike?
I'm like walking it.
Yeah, no.
I was wheeling it, mate. Calm down. Guy's pissed. Little bad boy. Oh. Thank you very much. Where is Gangnam? Or is it inside another one?
At least 10 minutes. It's a bit longer.
10 minutes, okay, that's fair. I'll just pass it on. Oh, just got another order. Usually get them right as you finish orders. Oh, that is quite far out. So I'm not gonna pass on that. Even though I had to cancel on that last order, which was £6, still £5. Perfect. There you go. Yeah, I absolutely hate when it gives me an order right as I'm trying to deliver. Hopefully this third order it gives me is quite good. See, that is much more like it. I can read, I'm a mind reader or what? Indigo, oh wait. Taco Bell, my word, I'm blind. Taco Bell's not bad, and that is not a far delivery. Like the Taco Bell. Let's see if it's ready. It was a big order. Hiya. Thank you. Put your food here, and your drink here for you. Thank you. Have a lovely night. Double order. 5 guys here, and then another guy's on Frederick Street, which is not far away. This one's for £5 and the bonus order is for £2.50, so like £7.50. Heading out to like Meadows, beyond the Meadows, Marchmont kind of area.
What's your name? Can you please do the collection for me? Great.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
Perfect. Thank
Unlucky day. Thank you very much.
you so much.
3 minutes slower, the mound is the fastest way. Crikey no. Oh, I'm not looking forward to that. Let's get going up the mound, I guess. There we go. The mound's complete. Hate going up that hill, man. Absolute hell. They're always at the top, man. Never easy ones on the bottom floor. Always directly at the very top. If you guys are watching this and you're liking it, please subscribe so I know people like these kind of videos, because nobody watches them. No point. And this camera here was worth nothing. I spent all this money. So subscribe, so it was worth it for me. You can do that. I'll do it if you do it. Okay.
0009.
0009. Perfect. Have a good night. So on the customer street. The pin, this happens quite often, the pin says somewhere completely different to where the address is. Well, I've taken another delivery as well. £4 from Nicholson Street to Leith. Should be pretty decent. And hopefully I'll be able to finish up just before 12, about 10 on £100 for today. £50 this evening. And you've got your milkshake. Thank you. Have a good night. Tie to go right there. Looks kind of oh wait, oh here's. Yep. Perfect. Have a lovely night. Hey, who's got an order for £4 for star kebab right there? Up to like Nicholson Street, probably a student house. Hi.
2 minutes, yeah?
What?
2 minutes.
2 minutes? Yeah, no problem. Hey, at the delivery spot? Oh, wait. Did I go on the wrong street? No. Unless the... Yeah, no, right street. I got another delivery for a boba shop back to Princess Street, somewhere on Princess Street, right around that kind of area.
3570.
Yep. 3570. Perfect. There you go.
Stuff for your tip.
Oh, thank you very much. Have a lovely night. Oh, there's another delivery. Oh, that is literally on my way home as well. At the boba shop, I think it's just back here. Thank you, have a good night. Sick board, man.
Thank you.
Oh, the things you see, man, the things you see. So the delivery location is an in-post parcel locker. So I'm calling the customer to see if that's where they want to meet. That's weird. Hi, just on the delivery note, it says to an in-post parcel locker. Is that the right place, yeah? Yeah, okay, cool. I was just double checking because it's like not one place. But I'll be there in like a minute, okay? They did mean a parcel locker. Weird. Whew. We're just double checking it was here. For you guys there. Thank you guys, have a lovely night. Just pulling up onto the customer street. Probably a hotel or something. Oh no, this is not a hotel. When they're right in the centre of town like this, I usually assume they're a hotel, but it's quite a pleasant surprise when you pop up to somebody's actual house. Perfect. There you go. Perfect. Have a lovely night.
Very much, you too.
Okay. That's like £87. I think I might call it a night here. Because there's a decent order on. And I don't know. Been out for 4 hours. I think it's time to just call it. Probably around about 110 after all the tips are added up. Go find somewhere nice to sit and wrap this video up. So that's me finished up for the night. Finished up on about £108.73, which, if I deduct, I think I made 54 in the morning. So I made another £54 this evening in about, it's been exactly 4 hours. So £54. Let's just stick on the calculator real quick. 54.88 to be exact. Divided by 4. That's $13.72 an hour, which not bad for a morning shift, an evening shift. Also, not a great boost on, and I started off pretty terrible. Not bad. Also, see if there's any tips going throughout the day. I'll throw up on how much I've been now and my final amount at the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like watching these videos, subscribe. I know I like watching other people delivering, so yeah. Thanks a bunch for watching. Bye.